Having a felony on your record, it is hard. It is difficult, man. I am going through that right now. The process of trying to find a better job, the process of not getting turned down. I got turned down by DoorDash delivering food, like literally delivering food. I got turned down by DoorDash. And it makes you feel, when you have that felony on your record, it makes you feel like you're not able to be a part of society, and it makes you feel like you'll never get a better job, or you'll never be able to get your own place without somebody co-signing for you. And it's like, we want those opportunities, and we try to find those felony friendly jobs. And sometimes, you may get denied for that because you may not have enough experience. So it's like, do you beat yourself up down? Do you beat yourself up about it, or do you just keep pushing and keep striving? I think you just got to keep striving, man. There's days where I'm just like, man, skip this. But if anybody out there with a felony, let me know. Comment below, like,